Hey, Jeremy Kennedy here, and welcome to this video. We are super excited to show you how we are literally vacuuming leads off of our websites from any kind of traffic. Just basically, the people come to our website, visitors come to our website, and we are getting them onto our lists in our autoresponders, in our CRMs, without them having to opt into anything, without them having to buy anything. Now, this is 100% legal. We'll show you all of the inner workings of how it works in just a moment. But first, I want to show you what kind of results we've been getting with our tests using this new platform. It's very exciting. So, first things first, we recently released a product, and it was just a simple information product. Now, this could be any product in the world. It doesn't matter what product we actually released. That doesn't matter. Also, what doesn't really matter is our source of traffic for that product was all free to us because it was affiliates driving traffic to our offer for us. So it was free traffic for us. And might I add, it again doesn't matter what the source is. The fact is, traffic was coming to our website. It came to this website. Now, on this particular website, we're selling a product, which is actually closed now. If you go to that offer, it's closed, so you can't buy it anymore. But these are the customers that we got from the product. These are the people that actually purchased our product. Now, on this particular sales page, there is no opt-in form. There is no exit pop for them if they're leaving to say, hey, opt in into our list and you'll get a freebie. None of that. We're just sending all the traffic goes directly to a sales letter. They either buy it or they leave and we never see them again, unless we do like Facebook retargeting, right? Well, we discovered a way to put them on our email list without them opting in, even if they don't buy. So these are the number of buyers we got. Okay, 574 buyers, actual customers who purchased the product. Everybody else, we had thousands and thousands of people come to the page. Everybody else left. All right, but out of those, we were able to siphon 402 more leads onto our list. These are all U.S. leads, by the way. It works with the U.S. leads only. So these are premium, top tier, tier one leads. And these are hot visitors. The traffic is primed to buy because they're coming to our sales page from affiliates. They're primed to buy. They're looking at our page. We already know these are our perfect candidates to be leads on our list. If they haven't purchased something, this is the person that we would want on our list, right? So now we've put them on our list. 400 more people. We've almost doubled the size of our list with the same people. The only difference is this traffic is the same. So all of these people are buyers. They're all buyers. It's just these guys actually bought our product. These guys have been proven to buy other people's products because the people that are sending us traffic is from their customer lists that have bought something from them. So we know these leads right here are buyers because we know the traffic source, which is important to note for yourself. When you know your traffic source, now you can get these leads without them having to do anything. If they land on your page and they live in the U.S., whop, whop, you're going to get them. Okay? Now, here we go. This is important to illustrate. So this is how many customers. We actually had less customers than this, okay, than 574 initially. But because we got a bunch of these leads on our list, we were able to get a lot more customers because we retained many of those customers and turned these leads into customers. Not to mention, we're going to be sending them emails moving forward on future products, affiliate products. Our next set of emails is going to be for a high ticket $1,000 product. All right. And so we're having many opportunities to reach out to these people. And basically what this is email retargeting. And let me point out, this isn't just about email. In fact, you can get all kinds of data on the visitors. You can get their phone, you can get their address, and you can get their email. And so you can contact them all kinds of ways, and you can port that information to any number of applications. These are ported directly into my autoresponder. All right. And the first email that I send them, which is what they recommend, the first email that I send them is, hey, thanks for visiting our website. Blah, 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 blah. So they know instantly. You send that email instantly. So they know that they came from your website, and that's why you're emailing them. Hey, we noticed you visited our website. We just wanted to add such and such and such reason that you should go back to the website and buy the thing again if you haven't already, or buy it if you haven't already. So this is what we're doing, and it's really cool that you can do this. Now, imagine this scenario. It can work for any other type of business. It doesn't matter what website that you have. For example, internet marketing info, digital products, e-com, local brick and mortar, giant companies, all of these kinds of companies can use this technology. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this technology is. So it is an app called Get Emails. Now let me bring that up for you here. Now let me say this. Before you type in the link here, don't do that. Okay, don't use this link. Use our link that's in the PDF document where you found this video. And it's probably going to be in the video description too if you're on like YouTube and you're watching it from that. All right. Use ours because you're going to get 15% off your first 3 months. 15% off your first 3 months, and you're going to get some free leads. Okay, so definitely use our link. Don't use this link. Don't go directly to it. Use our link. And that way, plus we're going to give you a bonus of 300 done pre-written emails in the internet marketing and business space that cover all kinds of topics, from email marketing, list building, driving traffic, e-com, you name it. 300 pre-written emails that you can use as follow-ups in your emails to people. Okay, so go through our link. Don't go directly to it. Now, what this does is, as you can see, 95% of your visitors are anonymous. And what Get Emails does is actually identifies the anonymous traffic and then sends you live email addresses that you don't already have in real time. And just to put it in layman's terms, how they do this, basically they're connected with these third-party companies that have massive databases of the customers that come to their website and use their products and buy their stuff. And so they cookie all those people. And those people are agreeing to privacy policies and stuff that cookie them and allow them to share that data with third-party individuals like Get Emails. Okay, and yourself as a visitor of your website. And so they match up. If they find a visitor on your website that matches somebody that's in their database of leads, they send you that lead. And then you do with that information what you want. But that's basically the way it works. They have all kinds of stuff on, the legalities and all that. I'm not really going to talk about the legal. They say it's legal. They walk through how it's legal. It is CAN-SPAM compliant, actually, because if you read CAN-SPAM law, it says that you can email people, but you just have to give them a way to opt out of your list. And then if they say, don't email me anymore, you can't email them anymore. But you can send an initial email as a bulk cold email to people. And so this being a visitor, it is email retargeting is basically what you're doing here. Just in the same way as they go to Facebook and they'll start seeing your ads. Well, they're going to start seeing your ads in their email box in the form of emails. And as you can see, they integrate with all these different companies and campaigns. Zapier, we're integrating with GetResponse with them. Zapier, you can take that information and pretty much zap it into any other platform that you don't see here. Zapier will bridge you to just pretty much any CRM or whatever you want to use that data with. Okay, now basically there's a few ways that you can use their data. Is email marketing retargeting, which is kind of what we're doing. We're just putting them on the list, sending them autoresponder email follow-ups, which I'll show you here in a second. And then you can also use these to create Facebook lookalike audiences. So in Facebook ads, you can upload a email list, and it will populate an audience based on that email list of those people that it can find on Facebook, and it will allow you to target that audience in your Facebook ads. So in this way, you can get all of these people. It's a secondary way to retarget them on Facebook from your website. It's interesting. Also, triggered direct mail. You can get their, I believe, their physical address, and you can start doing direct mail, like literal physical print campaigns. And so we're going to show you all this in just a second, but I wanted to kind of go over their front page because they do a really good job of explaining it. You install the code, you integrate it with your platform, and it just starts working. And I can confirm it absolutely does work. In fact, I'm going to log into it for you right now. Again, they say it's 100% CAN spam compliant. All emails have previously opted in to receive promotions from our partner network. Only US-based emails participants, which means 100% CAN spam compliant. Sorry, I'm tripping over my words here. I'm going to go ahead and log in just so you can see that we are actually using this. All right, and you can see here the number of leads that we acquired on this test was 487 at this point. Now, you might see a later case study video because we're going to be testing a few other things with this as well, different types of traffic to different types of pages. But this was our first test, and as you can see, the numbers are pretty accurate on what actually landed in our autoresponder. They're showing that they collected 487, and I'm showing 402 here, but this is going to be reflecting a lot of unsubscribes as well. And so that won't be reflected here. So I wanted to mention that because we did see about probably like a 5 to 10 subscriber discrepancy the entire time, but also we've sent a couple follow-ups and people have dropped off our list at that point. So this is really, really accurate as to what you actually get in your autoresponder. Now, you'll probably notice this price right here. First of all, we're getting you free credits. This is a very selectable plan. We chose this particular plan, but there's a bunch of other plans. You don't have to get the $320 a month plan. Okay, you can go higher, you can go lower. All right, but I also want to mention and just point out, think about this fact. If that seems expensive to you, it's really not for what you're getting. Okay, we got so far, 487 new buyer leads, which we know these people are buyers because we know our traffic source. We know how valuable these leads are. Okay, and because of that, let's do a little bit of math here. So 320, 487. So we're paying 60. I think I'm doing this correctly. I might have it backwards. I don't know. I think I'm doing this. If I'm doing this right, we're paying 60. So far, we've paid 65 cents per lead for these leads. Now, think about this. If you go to Facebook and run an ad on Facebook, you're going to pay 65 cents to $1 per click especially for the same traffic that we're getting. All right, 65 cents per click, not per email lead in your autoresponder. I mean, we're getting this is extremely cheap for leads, and this is just not even use everything that we've paid for. Once we fill up that 1,000, okay, then that's 32 cents a lead, and these are as we know, buyer leads, some of the hottest leads that we can possibly acquire for our business. So to think that we can get those leads who are on our website, they're currently visiting our website, for 32 cents to put them on our list is peanuts. Peanuts. Anybody that runs ads, anybody that does any kind of paid traffic, anybody that's building a list knows how valuable this is. Go try to buy a solo ad and pay 32 cents a lead. You're going to pay 32 cents per click for the solo ad. So it's an amazing deal when you look at it from that perspective. We're building a list. We would willingly pay even more for this. Now, think about this too. We're also getting you a 15% discount for the next 3 months, for the first 3 months, plus free credits. And we're supposed to determine exactly how many free credits, because we have an interview with the co-founder tomorrow to discuss getting you some free credits. So how cool is that? They had a $500 a month free credits plan, and then they rolled it back not too long after we started testing this. And we're trying to negotiate some credits for you. But you're at least getting 15% off. And they have all kinds of plans here. You don't have to start out high. They have different subscriptions. And you can get email, name, address. You can get just the email only. You can get the email plus the name. Okay, you can get the real time, or you can get the once a day. The once a day is even cheaper. So $14 a month for up to 50, and it just, you could select your plan, you can pause the plan, you can change your plan, you can move your plan, and depending on how many leads you're getting per day. One guy, he said, was getting to like 10,000 leads a day off of his website, some big health thing. And actually, it wasn't that big. He was just running a lot of Facebook traffic. But the guy was returning so much money from those leads. It was like he was returning 10 times his revenue of what he was spending for the leads, for what he's having. 10,000 a month is going to be quite a bit. But, I mean, he was making 10 times more than that from those leads. So you got to think in those terms. But you can start out small and then even a 15% discount on top of that. So I just wanted to go over that quickly so that price doesn't scare you. Don't let that scare you. So, pardon me. Here's how we actually set this up. First of all, you're going to click the link below this video in the PDF. I don't have it sitting in front of me because we haven't created it yet, but there will be. And then you're going to sign up for Get Emails. Now, once you sign up for your account, I believe you can even sign up for a free trial. You get a free trial, the free credits. You'll see the free credit trial. So you'll get a certain amount of free credits each month. So you will not even have to, I do not believe, put in a credit card when you sign up. Okay, but you could start testing it without a credit card. Yes, I believe. So then you go through and they will actually have the steps here for you to walk you through each thing. It'll walk you through the integration and step by step. It's very, very simple. You just click your ad. You find your integration. In our instance, it was Get Response. You say Add Now. You go to Get Response. You get your API key, which you can find right here under Integrations and API. And then you can click on API right here, and you'll see all your API keys. I'm not going to show that here on my screen because you don't need my API key. But you would just paste it right here, click Connect, and it would connect it up. And you're good to go. All right, it's really that simple. And then it'll say, take your code snippet. You'll view a little script here. You'll copy the code. You'll click collection. You'll copy the code. And then you'll take that code and you'll put it on your website in the header. The same place you would put a Facebook ads pixel in the header code. Let me open up a page just to show you exactly how that's done. Okay, so if I'm in WordPress and let's say I want to put it on this squeeze page here, I can put it, let's see, I believe, I hit the wrong button. I use Thrive Architect. It'll be different in every page builder. ClickFunnels has the header code area. In here, you'll see landing page settings. Nope. Advanced settings. Custom scripts. All right, and see, I already have it in there. Get emails. Header scripts before the head and end tag, or before the ending head tag. So you put it in the head section of your website. Same place you put your Facebook pixels and any other kind of retargeting pixel. And that's it. It's really easy. And then as soon as it's turned on, immediately it will start working and you will start getting leads into your autoresponder from your website. So this can really be used by all kinds of businesses across all kinds of industries and genres. Whether you're in the online marketing space, whether you're in the local business space, you have a brick and mortar local business, you're selling e-commerce products online, maybe you're selling t-shirts, maybe you're selling different types of gear, maybe you have a large corporation and you want to start collecting, like I said, one of these guys, one of their customers is doing like 10,000 leads a day off of their website. So this platform can handle quite a bit of load. And we've actually talked to them a bit and asked them, can you guys handle a lot of load? And they say, yes, we can. And they're collecting more and more leads every single day through their third-party networks. So their database is constantly growing. It's already 500 million strong, which is massive. And so you can start tapping into this regardless of what you're doing, and you can start getting a lot more leads. It's invaluable to be able to capture the people off of your website who are already on your website, considering what you have there, and to be able to continue the conversation via email. We haven't, by the way, had any complaints about this whatsoever. All of the people, matter of fact, let me show you the follow-ups. We haven't had any complaints about it. So we've got some autoresponders set up. And I'll just show you a couple of them real quick. Very short and easy. Okay, and look at these. Here we go. Page one, welcome. And these are the visitors. Again, the visitors list. This is what we're sending to the people who we got through Get Emails. Okay, look at the open rate. 25% open rate. Even got some clicks, and 16% open rate, still getting some clicks. Okay, and let me show you what that email said. The subject line, which you can't see here, but you can see it when I hover over this, says, thanks for checking out the Page One Foreplay website, which was our website. And we recommend that you send this exact same subject line or something very similar to your people. Thank you for checking out blank and blank and blank website. So they know exactly where this is coming from, because they're going to be really weirded out that you've emailed them. They're like, wow, how did they find? Probably more in wonder. And in today's time, nobody's really going to be that surprised that companies can do this, right? We're all kind of paranoid that companies can just follow us anywhere. Well, they can. So here we are. And the email is very simple. Hey, Jeremy Kennedy here. Just wanted to say thank you for checking out my offer. We have created, and then I go into a little bit about, why they should want to buy, and then I redirect them back to the same page. I say to pick up, again, go here. So I'm just giving them a couple more reasons why they should buy. And the next email was pretty much the same thing. It was reminding them, hey, thanks for coming by the website preview. All right. And the subject line was, I want to let you in on a little secret. I wanted to create that curiosity with them. Okay, and then I reminded them, yesterday you were looking at my page for Foreplay training here. Okay, back to the website. And if they go back to their website, they're going to recognize that, oh yeah, I've been on this page before. Right? And so I'm just redirecting, giving them another reason why they should go back and buy. Again, this offer is no longer available. You can't buy it. So, and if you ask me, I'm still not going to send it to you. So that's, sorry. Anyway, they click the link, and they've been clicking the link. Okay, they've been clicking the link. So we're really excited about this technology, and we're going to start sending them more emails with more offers and things like that. We're going to be testing out more types of traffic, but please let us know what you start using this for. Let us know your results. Very excited to hear what you get from this. And so send us an email at jamesjeremyhelp@gmail.com if you have any questions or any feedback. We would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.